Question 1. Discuss the history and development of Python, including its origins, key influences, and major milestones. How has the Python community and ecosystem contributed to its growth? Answer. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC language, with the first version, Python 0.9.0, released in February 1991. Key influences included Modula 3, C, and Unix/C shell scripting. Python 2.0, released in 2000, introduced list comprehensions and garbage collection, while Python 3.0, released in December 2008, addressed design flaws with changes like the print function and improved Unicode support, though it was not backward compatible. The Python Software Foundation, PSF, manages Python's development and promotion. The community has grown significantly, driving the creation of extensive libraries and frameworks for web development, data science, and machine learning.
This community-driven model has facilitated continuous improvements and widespread adoption of Python across industries like academia, finance, healthcare, and technology. Question to explain Python's key features and how they contribute to its popularity and versatility. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using Python in different applications, and how does its interpreted nature affect performance? Answer. Key features. 1. Simple and readable syntax emphasizes code readability and maintenance. 2. Interpreted execution allows for quick testing and debugging. 3. Dynamic typing provides flexibility in variable usage. 4. Extensive standard library reduces need for external dependencies. 5. Multiple programming paradigms supports procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. Advantages. 1. Ease of learning, accessible to beginners and experienced developers. 2. Versatility, suitable for web development, data science, machine learning, automation, software development. 3. Networking, game development, embedded systems, and scientific computing. 4. Rapid development cycle, increases productivity and speed with high-level features and extensive libraries. Disadvantages. 1. Performance, slower than compiled languages like C or Java. 2. Memory consumption, can be memory-intensive. 3. Limited mobile development use, less common compared to Java or Swift. 4. Runtime errors, dynamic typing can result in runtime errors. 5. Global interpreter lock, GIL limits multi-threading capabilities in CPU-bound applications. Despite these disadvantages, Python's strengths and strong community support make it a powerful and widely used programming language across various domains.